Hello little champs, ready for some magic on the chessboard. Today we are diving into one of the coolest moves in chess, that is pawn promotion. Let's see how humble pawn transform into powerful piece. When a pawn reaches the last row, it can transform into another piece. Take a look. Now see how pawn become powerful piece. Did you know when your pawn land on the last row, that square is called queening square? Why? Because most players turn their pawn into a queen, most powerful piece. Guess what? You can also choose rook, bishop or knight. It's your choice. How cool is that? When a pawn reaches the last row, you swap it for a new piece like a queen. Or knight. That counted as one move. One swap is done, your turn ends. But your new piece is ready to shine and move just like any regular piece of its kind. The fun is just beginning. And you can transform the pawn here. Yeah, let's say I need to take a rook. So I can take a rook and I can transform, and this pawn is going to promote. Yeah, I want to use bishop, so I can use bishop. So this is how the promotion happen. Let's say promotion by capture. Here one piece, here one piece, right? If a pawn reaches, it can promote like this also, but it can promote by capture also. For example, here knight is on A8 and rook is on C8 and white pawn is on B7, right? B7. Now white has to move, so from B7, what I told you earlier chapter, if it is capture, so into symbol will be there. So B7 capturing rook. So once it capture, it move out from the board and this pawn turn into queen. So like this, the capturing happen. How to use the symbol of the new piece, right? Queen symbol will be Q, rook symbol will be R, bishop symbol will be B, and knight symbol will be N. If your pawn reaches, for example, your pawn reaches A8. For example, your pawn reaches A8 and turns into queen, then you need to write A8 and symbol, that is Q. If you want to transfer into knight, means A8N, or if you want to transfer into bishop, ANB or ANR. So these are all the examples for capturing and write down the moves. Let's consider this board into 4 quarters. So first quarter, second, third and fourth quarter. So the quarter line will be here. The board we separated into 4 quarters. So now quarter A. The pawn has 4 possible move. So this is quarter A. The pawn has 4 possible move. Each move result in a promotion. For example, A2 into B1, then it become a queen, or it can become a rook, or it can become a bishop, or it can become a knight. That's it for quarter A. 4 exciting transformation is happening. When the quarter B, the pawn has 12 different moves. These include advancing straight, capturing diagonally, and possibly promoting depending on their position. Right? So if I go here, I have 4 different options. I can choose queen, bishop, rook or knight. So 4. And if I go into here, I can transform into queen. If I capture this, I can transform into queen, rook, bishop or knight. I don't want to capture. I am going straight. Then even I can make it out the 4 which I want. Anyone like queen, rook or knight, bishop, anything. So I have total 12 possible moves. Let's say let me capture the queen. So queen is going out and I transform into white queen. The same story for 12 different moves in quarter C also, right? So for black pawn, it can capture bishop or knight and transform into the same queen, rook, knight or bishop. And in quarter D, it has 4 different moves just like quarter A. The board position limits here. So I have no option to go straight, but I can able to capture the knight and I can turn into any piece like queen, rook, bishop or knight. Each quarter of the pawn unique opportunity depend on where it keeps. Keep exploring and discovering these possibilities on the chessboard. From a tiny pawn to a powerful piece, pawn promotion is like magic on the chessboard. Now it's your turn to practice this cool move. Keep exploring and remember, every pawn has a potential to be a superstar. See you next time, Little Chess Champs. Happy learning.